Here are the directions for completing your World's Fair human rights paragraphs. To complete this assignment, you're going to need to fill in all of the parentheses, bolded sections in the paragraphs here. You're going to do this by using the Freedom House website and the Amnesty USA website. First thing you're going to want to do is have this open along with 6B, which is the Freedom House score meanings document. These are both attached to the assignment in Google Classroom. You're going to be using this to fill in pieces of the paragraphs here. First thing you need to do is you need to go to the freedomhouse.org website up at the top here. This is going to show you a list of all the countries in the world and what their freedom score is. You need to find your country. You can do it quickly by searching it over here. We're going to use the United States for our example here. You see it pops up right here with the score and the other meanings there. I'm going to click on the country. We see here we have the overall score. The overall score is the 1 out of 100. It's the big one up at the top. So we're going to go back to our paragraphs and we're going to start filling in what we have here. So it says, according to Freedom House, your country. For this, I'm going to put in the United States. Then it says, is considered to be a free or not free country. So if we go back, it says it's considered to be a free country. So I'm going to put in free. There's another option that isn't actually on here, but if your country is partially free, just put in the word partially before the word free. They received an overall score. We see here the United States overall score is 86. So we'll replace that with 86 for the overall freedom rating. Your country, we're going to put this again, United States, received an overall score of 86 for 2 reasons. And the 2 reasons we're going to explain here come from the political rights and the civil liberties score. So this first paragraph says, first they received a political rights score. So if we go back, we see that their political rights score was 33. So we're going to go back and we're going to put in 33 for political rights because countries like the United States. Then we're going to say, it says insert description from Freedom House for your country's political rights score. This is when we're going to go to the Freedom House score meanings page. We see on this here, there are different descriptions that match up with different ranges of numbers. So we have the best up here, 34 to 40, and then on the way down. The United States on here has a 33. 33 is in this section here, 26 through 33. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this paragraph here. We're going to go back here, and we're going to insert it over those parentheses right there. And that paragraph is now done. Same situation for the second paragraph, which is the civil liberties score. We'll go back. We see their civil liberties score was 53 out of 60. I'm going to put that in there. 53. Your country. And again, remember, every time you're doing your country, it's your World's Fair country, not the United States. Just doing the United States for an example. We'll go back and we'll see that they have a 53. We scroll down now on our Freedom House score meaning. These are out of 60, starting from 55 to 60. So we see here that the United States is 53. We're going to be going to 46, 54 section. I'm just going to highlight this paragraph. Issues in your country relating to human rights by going to Amnesty USA or amnestyinternational.org. So we're going to go to this website. On the map here, you can find your country. If you can't find it, you can always search it using the search bar here, just searching the name of your country. We'll go to the United States, click more. And then you'll see right kind of at the top here a general synopsis or review of human rights issues in your particular country. You can always scroll down more to see specific things going on in your country as well. You're going to want to do about 2 to 3 sentences about what your country is dealing with in terms of human rights in this paragraph here. And that is it.